I got to say, HDMI to USB. So what do we have with us right now? We have the A-Box home theater projector. Now the manufacturer claims that it has 6800 lumens and the contrast ratio is 8000 to 1. Again, this is a 1080p native resolution projector. So without further ado, let's unbox this. Again, here you got the handle. Similar to other projector, you got the HDMI cable, a power cable, a remote, a little smaller than the A-Box, and then AV in. Here's the manual. Wow, I got to say, the manufacturer actually put extra protection in the corners, adding extra plastic on top of the foam. That's telling me something about this. I got to say, this looks pretty cool. But the sign, look at this. It's plastic, but it looks like a matte metal on here, brushed metal, but it looks pretty cool. Alright, let's see. What do we have? Now, this one actually has a SD card slot, 2 HDMI, 2 USB, and then a VGA. Alright, again, you got your speaker or headphone jack, and then your AV in jack. In terms of lens cap, alright, a little more actually secure. But wow, this looks pretty cool. And on Amazon, I believe I paid $330 for this. And I think at the time when I got it, I got a little bit of discount, maybe $30 off. So at the end, I paid $300 for this thing. I gotta say, like, I'm loving this already. Just for the shell itself, looks cool, looks high tech. But hey, after all, we have to see the quality and see if this is worth it. This is Bomaker. Now, what you can see is that the top is pretty clear, but the bottom is a little blurred. All right. As you can see, Bomaker still very, very bright in terms of brightness. Can't beat that. But in terms of blurriness, still the bottom side is a little more blurry. This is Bomaker S75. Now, if I have to put it in a stable position, I'm caring about the design, Bomaker will be my choice. I like the Bomaker because the design's good, and as you can see, Bomaker has the highest lumens based on the what the manufacturer claimed, and it shows it reflected on here. It's 6800 lumens. It's definitely brighter than A-Box, and thank you. If you like this video, please hit the like button, and if you want to see more review, please subscribe to our channel and hit the notification button so when our new video comes up, you will be the first one to watch it.